So DJI released a new update 1.4.3 just a couple of days after they released 1.4.2 because there has been a lot of complaints about the iPhone charging capabilities was taken away. And earlier today I shot a video that was showing this fix was actually working on the DJI Air 2S. And this is clearly a mistake that DJI made taking away this feature. So of course this was expected that they are going to reintroduce this regardless what you're hearing around the web. So this is just a short follow-up video just to show you that it also works on the Mini too. So let's just try and connect the drone here. And by the way, welcome to another video. I'm Henrik Olsen, and if you want to learn how to make better video with your camera and drone in general, and learn how to charge your phone, then consider subscribing to my weekly tips, tests, and tutorials. So let's try and hook this up and see what happens. Come on, go away with all these messages. So let's just double check that we have the right version in here, and because I used it earlier today, I would not expect it has changed, but 1.4.3 is there. So let's go back to the main screen here and see. Now we have sort of the charging icon here in the top, and if I unplug, you can see that it goes away. And if I replug it, it comes again. It comes again. so the remote is actually charging the phone. Previously you had to go under this tab control, I think it was, to enable this setting for the remote actually to charge the phone. But now that happens automatically. This is a nice little addition with the Mini 2. Have you experienced anything else with this firmware update for iOS 1.4.3? Then let me know in the comment below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.